Welcome back. We continue our live conversation with New Hampshire's governor as we answer your questions about the impact of coronavirus. And Governor Sununu, thank you so much for being with us. It's a very busy time and a lot of questions from people out there in New Hampshire. We want to get started. Christiana asks, as daycare employees, we're risking getting our families sick too, being around kids. What's the difference with schools closing and not daycares?
So it's a great question. So schools are obviously larger facilities. They have hundreds and hundreds of kids coming in and out. When it comes to daycare and childcare, it's so fundamentally important to keep our workforce sustainable. So it's doctors, it's nurses. We've heard a lot of folks saying, please don't close down their local daycare facility because otherwise we're potentially pulling them out of that very vital workforce. Now, Chris Tappan and some folks over at Department of Health and Human Services, I spoke to them today. We're working on a plan to provide a lot of opportunity for those daycare centers, whether it's a financial opportunity, making sure they are in clean and healthy atmospheres, pre-screening for kids coming in, the guidance that folks need to feel comfortable that as children come in, we're providing the opportunities to provide the daycare and the childcare, provide that workforce for being out there, but also be safe at the same time.
All right. And another daycare question from Jan. She says, understandably, essential workers need some type of care for their young children, but not all daycares need to remain open. Can there be something put in place, she asks, at these essential places of employment to care for young children?
Sure. So remember, our child and daycare centers are private. So a lot of them have chosen, it's their choice. They can close if they don't feel comfortable. We've also extended the opportunity for employers to essentially create their own temporary daycare or childcare facility for their workers. We've kind of extended those typical licensing and credentials. We want to make sure that it's safe and there's boundaries there. But it's all about creating a kind of a new model. And I talk about this a lot publicly. What are the new norms, right? The new norms of how we work, of how we go through education, the new norms of how we can provide opportunities for our workforce, especially our frontline workers. And these are the changes that we're encouraging folks, the stakeholders, to bring ideas to us. And again, I can't thank our teams enough and the folks on the ground enough bringing some pretty innovative ideas to keep these operations moving forward.
Sure. And Susan asks, what is going to be done, if anything, about the crowds at the beaches like what occurred this past weekend?
So I was actually out at Hampton Beach this weekend, and there were a lot of cars. Now, if you looked at the photos, I got to give the people in New Hampshire a lot of credit. Very rarely did you see large groups coalescing. And again, after today, we put in place that we don't want anyone mingling with groups larger than 10 people. That's under the CDC recommendations. And in very rare circumstances, did you see any of that? And the people in New Hampshire are doing a great job taking social distancing responsibly, taking the opportunity to work from home very, very responsibly, looking for those flexibilities. And because of that, that allows us at the state level to not have to, mandate this and mandate that and this idea that we're going to lock people in their homes. That's actually you can get very healthy at home, of course, but we want you to be out in the fresh air. We want you to do it safely and responsibly. If you want to go hiking, we want you to do that, but maintain that 6-foot buffer that we talk about. If you want to go to the beach and go for a walk, that's fine, but keep your eye out for crowds, keep your eye out for very heavy gatherings. So a lot of people were out and about, but I give the people of the state, with very few exceptions, people were really taking the social distancing very seriously.
Very important. Thank you so much, Governor Chris Sununu, for being with us, and we'll be back with more questions for you right after the break.